So if you want to do macros in Excel 2013, or for that matter in Excel 2010, unlike older versions like 2003 or on the Mac where you go into Tools and choose Macros, by default it's not up here in your ribbon. What you need to do is switch that on. So what you need is to go into File, and you can go into Options, and in here you need to customize the ribbon. So you just need to click here, and then you can see there's a Developer tab down here on the right hand side, and you just need to click that and click on OK. You've now got the Developer tab up here. Now if I click on that, you've got all the same macro commands and things you have in the other versions, and macros haven't really changed in Excel for a long time. So all the commands that you've learnt in say one version of Excel you can use here. And if you haven't used any of those before, well, I've got a whole series of videos that I've got coming up very soon. By the time you've watched this, they may already be there, to show you how to create macros. So I've already got one on how to record macros. And recording macros is really useful because you can carry out a series of commands and you can get Excel to remember it and just play it back. So let's say, for example, you needed to create a spreadsheet, do some formatting, and then what you need to do is import some data and then create the special page layout that you want and then print it. And that's just a repetitive task. It's the same thing you do every time. You can record it. So go and have a look at that other tutorial. But there's a lot more that you can do. You can get it to interact like with message boxes, input boxes, dialog boxes, and they're the videos that I'm creating right now to help you do that. So you will know that if you actually have done macros before, if you click on macros here, you'll see same dialog box that you've seen in other versions, and the record macros work in exactly the same way. So stay tuned, come back for more, but that is how you can actually get into the Developer tab so you can start doing macros in Excel 2013 and for that matter 2010.